Hey, what's going on? My name is Aiden. Welcome to another video. We're locked in. We're going to be playing some Lightning Storm today. This is the final of 5 videos, and we are sitting on $83 in profit across 5K. Not too bad, not too bad. We've been playing game shows, so let's go ahead. Let's do all evens. $50 there. Do that, and let's go for 10 rounds. Let's give it a try. Let's see what we can do here. And yeah, here's to hoping for a big W win here. Okay. Lightning storms are our number. All lightning storms, all multis are ours as well as all even numbers. That's a leaf, unfortunate. Okay. 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 Let's see a hit here. Too fast for lightning storm. Maybe, just maybe it's battery charger. It looks like battery charger. Yep. Beautiful. 2x, $7 on it. Plus we get, or no, yeah, that's with the multi. It's the added $2 that we bet on X Chaser and Storm Chaser. Okay, $7 times 2, so that makes it a 14 bet. Let's hopefully hit the 60 or the 130 all the way at the top. That would be nice. We could hit the 2x and then get a 300 times 7. That would be pretty peak. Okay, give us the 60. If not the 60. Oh, okay. The 6 makes me nervous. Okay, and the 14 is the last one that really makes me nervous. I don't like the 14 though. Okay. Come on, hit that 2x. Hit that 2x. Fuck. Alright, 150, please. 150. Nah. Not terrible. You know, it's still something good. 210. Sir. Okay. Alright. Brings us up a good little bit. Yeah, wow. Phew. This host seems like a nice guy today, I will say. Seems like a very nice guy. Maybe let's see a little freaky multi. Okay, good. We have lightning storm on even. We can multi it and it hits. We'll be good to go. Oh. Okay. We're not gonna hit the 5x. We're not gonna hit anything too good. It's looking like 12 though. Oh, that's an odd number. Battery charger. Damn, that would have been a good start. But yeah, if we can end up in some profit on the overall session. Yeah, they got up 20. Alright, next round. New chance to win. Lightning Storm with a 5x. $9, 5 times. 45 times 1,000. Doubled. Easy. Easy. This guy's a classic music enjoyer. I believe what he's singing is Ella Fitzgerald. Oh, too fast, sadly, for the light. Ah. Brother. Beef. Very tough. I will go ahead and break that. Oh, this guy's singing My Chemical Romance now. You know what? This guy kind of does look like the guy that listened to My Chemical. That's not a diss. Bro seems like a very chill dude. Damn. Yay. We've missed a few in a row now. I mean, we're still $10 profit on the session, so not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, edging the 200. What is that? Like right in the middle. Oh, that's a... Wow. Oh, no, the game broke. Bro, it shows 200. No. Well, I guess we'll be back whenever this game's fixed. Sorry about that. Oh, well, better be another 200. Ooh. I think that's like 25, 20. Bro. They cheated. They cheated. They scammed. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Okay. Lock it in. Let's get this profit rolling, man. Yeah, he is right. The ball wasn't in the right spot. I mean, don't get me wrong. I would have been pissed if that happened to me, but still, he does make a fair point. Ah, dude, odd numbers today are king. I don't know. It's just. Double it and then 200. I mean, they owe the kind people 50x. They owe the kind people 2x. The ball game is okay. Say the ball game is throwing. Okay. Come on, X Chaser. Open for a good old storm. Good old lightning storm. Nope. It won't make it around the wheel again, unfortunately. 16 maybe? Yep. Beautiful. We finally hit a feature. Finally. Okay. Alright. $5. 200x. Absolute cinema. Let me know. Or maybe a 2x. I mean, the back sector looks pretty good. Oh, there's a 15. Oh, 50. Like 15 is cheeks. I'll take. All right, that saved us. That definitely saved us a bit. There was a 500 there though. I'm just saying that could have been pretty huge, man. That would have put us up in some mega profit. Okay, 3 and a 4x. Would love a battery charger. We just had 3. Some people, bro, I tell you. 4? Alright. Monster Mash is definitely not like my favorite feature ever, but it's a feature nonetheless. I hope it locks in. I hope it locks in. That could be really good. Ooh. ×4? Yikes. Yikes. Bro! Ain't no way, dog. That doesn't even pay for the round. Dude, the Monster Mash is... I don't know how people like it. I feel like it is the coin flip that Crazy Time has of this game. I don't know. I could be wrong. It could be really goated, and I'm just sleeping on it. And, you know, I've just never hit a good one. But, yeah. Okay, just a 2x. Maybe it's a 6. No, that's looking like a 4 actually. All right, hotspot it is. 3 in a row for us. I'm thinking bottom left corner, about three out from the left and 3 up from the bottom. 100's the highest. Like here, 3. I don't know. It seems like it almost always ends up here, or there. It seems like these 3 spots are like really safe bets. All right, well, let's see what we did. Oh, we're not close. We got 15. Oh, it was right there. Maybe it hits us with a 2x though. It could. Ooh, it doubled the... Damn, actually doubled the hotspot. This does pay money back, so take it. Can't complain about the money back. And we'll finish up our bets here, and then I think we'll call it for today. $39 in profit as we sit right now. At the worst, we'll be down 150 on the whole session. That, honestly, 5 videos recorded, down 150 on 5 grand. I don't think it's too bad. I don't think it's too bad at all. 100% raw, so we do keep every dollar. But of course, we could very well win. Ooh, 10x. Let me know about that. Okay, 10x monster. I would take it all day long. We're not gonna hit that. Unfortunate. 6. It's a leak. Terrible. Oh, headrest on the chair. Accidentally whacked that. Whoops. All right, last bet. Let it luck. This guy's getting a little weird. Not gonna lie. A little weird for my taste, but it's all good. And sorry, no, minus 101 at the max. But I don't know. Maybe he's lucky. Maybe he locks it in. Ooh, good multis on this one. Yay, it needs to slow down to hit the 7. It actually could hit the 7. Yes. Oh, 7x. I mean, we only got $2 on it because we multi-chaser, but it's all good, man. We lock in here. 700, bro. Imagine that. Imagine it gets doubled. We hit it and it gets doubled. We actually hit the 7 on $2 though. Uh-oh. Okay, we hit a 70x. $140. Oh, it went like maybe at 2x's right here though. Well, 140x. It could be a good hit. Puts us back. Ah, shucks. That's crazy though that the bottom corner's paid like that. All right, well, hey, 140. Actually ended up $40 in profit. We'll take that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate y'all so very much. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure you guys leave a like on the video and subscribe, especially if you watched all the way through. You must have enjoyed it. I mean, thank you guys. We'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace out. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see y'all in the next one.